What's going on, guys? Let's give a huge shout out to EditorX for sponsoring this video, and let's jump in. So one of the topics we discuss in my UX course is really understanding the needs and objectives of your project. Whatever you're planning to build, you need to know these two basic things. Number one, who's your target audience? What do they want and how do you solve it? What core features are needed to meet our business needs? The site we built needs to look sexy and communicate quickly whatever it is we're offering. Our value proposition needs to be pretty simple. Here's what I came up with. Video on demand, now on VR, an immersive way to experience movies and games. Now ask yourself, what features do we need to be able to launch? We're certainly going to need some kind of sign up or subscription form. That way we collect customers' information during our launch phase. We're going to need a simple way to present dynamic content. For example, listing out the movies and games or TV shows. A way to filter and categorize them. And most importantly, a way to gate the content so only paid and subscribed members can actually access the content. Now, we're not going to go down the rabbit hole of deep infrastructure or cloud-based hosting and even live gaming. This simple exercise can really help decide if EditorX is going to be the right tool for your business. And that is why it's important that we know the pricing plans. Let's go ahead and click the upgrade to compare the features. You'll see right away they have two types of audiences. Those who don't need advanced integrations starting at just $17 a month, or those who run a business and require processing payments. Now, the standard features are available in all three pricing tiers. Same thing goes with the business plans. Everything is pretty much the same except for the e-commerce, subscriptions, auto sales tax, and third-party integrations. Now that we have a good understanding of each plan, you're probably wondering, does the yearly fee cover emails, domains, and all the extra business tools? Well, the answer is no. These are completely different subscriptions. For example, if you go premium, you'll automatically get a voucher for a free domain for you to use for the first year. Once it expires, you'll need to renew it. Emails, on the other hand, can be set up through Google. The good thing is, it'll be cheaper because Wix partnership with Google. If you're doing it yourself, you'd be paying for $12 a month for every user. But if you're enrolled with EditorX, you'll only pay half. Finally, Ascend by Wix is a completely separate subscription. Let's take a look. Click on any Ascend menu item and then click Upgrade. Just like the premium plan, you'll be able to try it for 14 days. To see if it's right for you. Now, if you're running a solo agency or you own a business, this Ascend plan is totally worth it because it gives you all the benefits of a content manager, like creating and publishing email campaigns, creating automations and workflows, collect payments via chatbots, schedule social media posts, and so much more. Doing all these things would require you to pay third-party vendors. So the benefits of having it all in one same tool is fantastic. All right, guys, hopefully that gives you a quick glance of the EditorX pricing model.